Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to run Apex class in Salesforce. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So first, you will need to go to your developer console so you can add your own Apex classes. So from here, we will find the developer console. We go to file and then you can go to your Apex class and you can start creating your Apex class. Uh, my class. From here you can start creating your class. So basically we need just to give it some more name, so let's just give it like that for now, and this is our Apex class. So now we want to start running our class here. So as you can see, there is nowhere we can run our application or our class, and simply to do so you can either start using the debugging here and go to execute last, for example, but that would only execute the last action. But from here you can go to the enter apex code and you can start calling to your class methods. For example, you can my object or my, and then you can start using the new class and start calling for the method of the objects, for example, uh, hello, if we have added it. So from here you can start calling for it, and let's just create public void, and then you can start creating your own methods, and simply you can start system debug or whatever you want, or some printing, and then you will need just to execute. So as you can see, it doesn't uh, here we need just to use my objects like this, and from here it will tell me that variable doesn't exist, and we should do some. And basically you will need just to add, of course, the type of the object, since it should be a class like a type of TT, etc. Well, basically you will need just to start initiating your object and then just running the code from here, and that's it. So thank you for watching and see you next time.